Hey there, YouTube friends. Here's the situation. Rita and I came home from food shopping the other night, and I couldn't get out of the car. So I guess I got a busted handle. We're going to investigate that. The only way I could get out now is from the outside. Together, I got to take this screw cover out. There we go. Alright, to get this screw out, I'm using a T20 Star Driver. I'm just going to put the screws in a little Tupperware so I don't lose them. Okay. I'll just take that off. Nothing up there. Alright, now I believe I got to get this out. Got a guitar pick in there. Alright. And that's a socket, so we got to get the right socket. Alright, so that appears to be a 7mm. Just pull the whole thing out. Make sure I don't lose the screw. So we'll put that in our Tupperware. We'll take this out. Let's see how these come out over here. Okay, so these little tabs that you squeeze to get them out. Like that. This one just pulls out like that. Okay. Put that on the side. Okay, now there's a T20 screw on the side of the door panel. Get that out. And there's a T20 screw underneath. Get that out. Pull the door up. These tabs here. That came off pretty easy. Just set this aside. Okay, this is 8mm. Just take that off. Set that aside. Okay, that's the piece that broke off. They just make it of plastic. Okay, now we gotta fish the cable out. It just sits in here like this. Comes out like that. I got this at Advance Auto. Costs 29 bucks. That's the part. 81702. Okay, now put that little barrel back in there. Get it in the seat. Put this white part back in the clip. Like that. So I'll just put it back on the door. Snap the door back in place. Just put the screw back. Make the connections again. back in. Put the cover back in. Throw my pick back in. Put the plate back on. Okay. And we'll cover back on. Okay, so that was about 10 minutes it took. Okay, now the true test. Let's see if I can get out. Eureka, it works. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up. More videos to come. I'll catch you next time. See you.